I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
What you gonna do, Rasta?
Rasta, pie.
Normally me don't drink. Cause alcohol is a distraction. Me just love me weed. But today are the worst day of my life, you know. Man, a complete failure. Let me tell you this.
Will me run late for work
Yo, watch it, man. You're blind?
and got fired by my boss?
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry I'm late. I broke down on my way to work.
Is your car okay?
Not my car, me. I broke down on my way.
You will have to drive it back because you are fired.
Oh, but sir, I
You are fired. Just move out.
Oh.
That's the floor.
Ah, fuck. I think that.
Just don't waste my time.
Oh, come on. Found that my car got stolen at the parking lot.
Baba Zani Bo.
Yo, hold on. Yo, security, why me car there? Yo, I'm fucking why me car there? I'm fucking my car, man. I mean, I have no insurance, man. Me not have it. Drop me wallet in the car me took home.
No, driver, how much for that? 70 Ghana.
What you say?
70 cities.
Show me your in.
Oh, show me your in. Mom.
70.
Mom.
Oh,
Charlie.
why I mean oh? Why I mean oh?
Be 70 good.
You not take it. Back young. You take it.
If you 70 cities.
Be your clap.
Ah, Rasta.
70 cities. They give me 10 cities.
You know.
Okay, we shall see. No problem. She no need to buy ganja. Hear me? Found me girl on top of another man. She a whine it. She never whine it like that for me, you know.
Me like a mayonnaise, make her go down on the knees. One no weird shit up on the left side. Nana Kafra.
You go follow woman.
I wanna want you.
You are a waste. Complete waste.
Tell me what you want from me.
Last one.
Boy, me hurt, man. Me hurt. Me find me like
Rasta Koboka.
So me come in at this bar to work it out. And then the tall. Buy a drink and drop a capsule in a it. Me sit here and watch the poison dissolve. Then you show up and drink the whole thing. Enough about me. How is your day going, though?
Wow. You fucked up, Rasta.
Oh, I fuck up. Maybe you fuck up. Baby.